happy to connect with you through India Didactics Association. I am Mrs. Anju Saxena and I have been working in inclusive education for a long period. Today I am going to talk to you about online learning for students with learning disability and learning difficulties and some other issues. Now you all know that in today's in this era of education, all schools are inclusive and all these schools have not only students with average intelligence and high intelligence or gifted intelligence, but they also have students with learning difficulties and learning disabilities. Some of the students are having disabilities like autism spectrum disorder and attention deficit hyperactive disorder. So what do you think? How we should go about it in this in this difficult period where students are away from school? They have not been to school for a long period, and for another 2 months also maybe they may not be able to go to schools. So this is what we have been thinking about. Being in inclusive education, then we had thought about some some online sessions, some live sessions for them, which includes not only academic teaching which was tailor-made to their level, but it also includes many stories to talk about positivity, to reduce their anxiety. And then we had also thought about some live sessions on the exercise regime and their IEP goals. So keeping all this in mind, we have not only kept their levels in our mind, but we have also kept the multisensorial approach, holistic approach, and then how we can connect with them, how we can make a bond with them. So to make a bond, we are quite regular with our students. Every day we try to connect with our students through Zoom, through Microsoft Teams, and through many other apps for their learning. And this way, what we have felt that these students are getting an opportunity to connect with their friends whom they are unable to connect otherwise. Already they have a very limited, very limited circle. In their comfort zone only they can talk to their very few friends. But when they are away at home, they don't have many friends to meet. They can't go down, they can't go to the playground. So what we felt that this is a very good so we thought it's a very good opportunity to connect with our learners through these kind of sessions. When we meet them, we invite their batchmates also, so that when 4 to 5 students are there, we give them a chance to talk to each other. We talk to them, and we also sometimes we plan nice stories for them, sometimes we plan nice activities, games for them, so that we can interact with them. And we also provide them hands-on activities through live sessions. We do demonstrate exercises so that they can they can follow it, they can see their therapists, they can see their special educators. This way we are helping them to connect with us, and we are also using different learning apps to customize their curriculum, to customize their academic goals, so that we can reach our students as much as possible. So this is what we had just thought of sharing with all, that if in this manner others can also connect with the students who have special education needs or who have therapy needs, who are otherwise also in school also they are aloof, they are loners. So it's difficult, it's very difficult at this time when anxiety at home, in their family members also the anxiety levels are little high, the stress levels are little high. So how to make them more positive, how to make them meditate, or how to do some mindfulness exercises with them, and how to reach them through these academic IEPs, or how to work with them regularly so that they don't regress, they don't go back, they don't deteriorate when they come back to school after a long period. They don't when they come back to school after a long period, they are, at least they have achieved their goals. They are maintaining their goals, but they are not going back to their previous levels. So to maintain their levels, to make them go ahead with the learning, I think live sessions are very useful. This is what we are finding and we are wanting to share with all. Thank you.